Hey friends, if you wish to change the system cooling policy for your processor, then please watch this video, and this is the only video you will need. Why? Because the system cooling policy is usually not present in power options, so people get confused. Now I'll tell you procedurally. I have a command and I have shared this command in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this command here, hit enter. It says the operation completed successfully. Now, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Click on change plan settings. Click on change advanced power settings. Expand the list for power processor management. Expand system cooling policy, and you can change it to whatever you want, active, passive, whatever you want. I don't suggest it is individual choice. And then click on apply and then on OK. So this is what you have to do. Follow this procedure. Don't follow any other procedure, because if you follow the procedures you won't find the option in power options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.